In this lecture, we are going to see an introduction to Stripe Payment Gateway and also the plugin which we are going to use in our e-commerce WordPress website. Stripe is one of the best alternative payment gateway to PayPal. You can accept payments via credit card and debit card from your customers. And then those amount which you receive from your customers will be sent back to your bank account. But the difference between Stripe and PayPal is that the time taken for the bank transfer will be a little longer compared to PayPal, and also the pricing is a little different. We have already seen about these pricing details in the previous lectures, but let me reiterate that you don't need to pay any monthly fees or any hidden fees. You just need to pay 2.9% of the sales and also a fixed charge of 30 cents. If you want to make refunds to your customer, then you have got no refund cost too. When your business starts to make more than $80,000 a month, you can get a discounts in these charges. For that, you need to get in touch with Stripe Payment Gateway. So let's see a preview of Stripe checkout. When the user enters their email and credit card details, they will be asked to enter their mobile number and then they can pay right away. So this is how the payment works using Stripe Payment Gateway. You are seeing the live preview of how the payment works. Unlike PayPal, which takes a visitor away from your website to get the payment done, Stripe checkout is of embedded form, which means your customers will not be taken away from your website. Instead, they will stay on your website, but this Stripe payment form will appear like a pop-up or like an overlay. So they have a feel of they are paying in your website, but their credit card details and other details are securely transmitted to Stripe's payment gateway. This checkout form is available in English, French, Spanish, Dutch, and some other languages. You can accept any form of payment, such as credit card, debit card, or even Bitcoin. Customers can make one-tap mobile payments. Stripe's checkout lets your customers save their details, which they can connect to an email address and a phone number, and they can pay with a single tap. The payment will be secured by one-time password sent through SMS. We are going to use the official Stripe plugin which Woocommerce provides us. When you enter into woocommerce.com, you can find Stripe under WooCommerce extensions, which you can download for $0.00, which means it's free. You can use it for as many websites as you like. You just need to create an account in Woocommerce, then add this to cart, download the plugin, and add it to your website. Once added to cart, click Checkout Now. If you haven't created an account, create one now. If you already have one, then click here to login. Enter your username and password, then log in and then click Purchase. We have successfully made the purchase. You can download the plugin by clicking the download button on the right section of the page. If you click the download button on the left section, you will download only the PDF invoice. So make sure you click this button. In the next lecture, let's install and activate the Stripe Payment Gateway plugin.